Yeah, there most definitely won't be any disking tomorrow, you guys. All right, you guys, so of course, as you saw yesterday, it poured rain and it's been too wet to get in the field this morning. So we've been servicing the centipede mower here this morning. Had to change some belts right here. And you guys, Rudy has shown us a new and better way for changing these belts. So the way we used to do it is, of course, you had to loosen up the gearbox there and loosen up that bolt so that it'll slide back, and that would loosen up the belts. But what we did is we would take off those 6 bolts, because there's 3 back here and 3 back up front. Take those off and lift up this whole unit to get the belt under the pulleys there, right? And of course, when you do that, you got to get on the bottom side of the deck. You got to have the deck lifted up. And listen, we got a new way, you guys. Rudy he's put us hip to the game on how to do it easier. So all we had to do is loosen up those 4 bolts there, take the grease fitting out of that pulley up there, and the PTO shaft off over there, and the gearbox would lift up enough to get the belt under there. So Rudy Poo, we thank you for that new idea, that new way of doing things. Yes, indeed. But anyway, you guys, we got another side we got to change over there, and some other work we got to get done. And while we're doing that, how about you guys check out what I've done the last 2 days? All right, do you hear it? Can you feel the wind? Well, once again, same story today, you guys. It's about lunchtime and the wind is huffing and puffing. So I'm done spraying for the day, indeed. Gonna head to the disc. Speaking of disc, this person has their disc heading somewhere to disc, and our disc is right over there. You guys, I think I'm gonna stop by the shop and get some fuel. Looking a little low there. Just got through with that field, and here comes the rain. I don't know if you can see the raindrops on the windshield. It's forecasted to rain though, so it's not unexpected. Well, you guys, it never actually rained, and I've been dissing, but now I got another problem: hydraulic ram. But we're riding through here at Beaver Dam at the new culvert, and it looks like they have rebuilt. And the ram on this disc is gonna have to be rebuilt. So I'm heading to the truck, gonna park and see if I can get it off, and I guess sometime or another we'll have to try and get it repaired. I'm trying to see what's the best position where that ram will be free to take it off. But yeah, man, wow, that thing is pouring, man. That seal must be completely out, you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna try and get it off, and Dan said we'll try and repair it in the morning. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's the next day. Helping Danny get moved this morning. He's spreading fertilizer down here, and I guess today we're gonna try and get a seal kit put in that ram. I got it washed off and taken off of the disc yesterday. Got them dropped off at the tractor now. Dan's already started taking it apart, you guys. Good deal. Yep, he's got the barrel gutted out. I gotta take that end off there though. And we got it back on, you guys. Guess she's ready to roll. So you guys, we're riding by where the sweet corn is planted. Today is day 8, but of course nothing has come up yet. And we are off to the field, you guys. Oh, and did I mention the wind is blowing 17 miles an hour? We need some rain because it's blowing dust everywhere. I ain't thinking about no sprayer today. So I'm getting my truck moved to the field again, and he's got this giraffe neck. He's just working it up and down. So I'm headed to the next farm, you guys, and right here at this culvert is where the chainsaw had dropped in the water. It looks to be fine. The water's not looking high. Things look okay around here, so that's good. That's good. So there's a power line that runs across the field here, and the guy who was running that giraffe neck, he got it opened up through there, didn't he? Yes, he did. Got her done. All right, you guys, I'm arriving at a new farm that I gotta get started at on the left and on the right. There's Larry going by with the box blade. There's a few specks of rain coming down, you guys. They were calling for it. There's a higher percent later on in the day, but it's been cloudy most of the day so far. You guys, I'm in this backfield dissing, and it came down a little heavy downpour for a second there. It's like it's in and out, in and out. I'm gonna keep motoring along until I can't. Look how heavy it got right there. And the wind is probably like 20 miles an hour right now. All right, you guys, I'm finishing up this side. I got that one side right there left, and I'll be finished with this farm. But it's lunchtime. It's late. It's 2:30, you guys. So I'm gonna take lunch and if it's not raining when I get back, maybe I can finish this side of the farm. I guess we'll take a peep at the seal on the ram right quick. Make sure it still looks intact back here. Oh, it's still drizzling rain. Okay, yep. I don't see any hydraulic fluid around the seal there, so it's doing good. It's doing good. Woo! You know, I never got to check on the beaver dam the other day. Let's stop right quick since I'm on my way to lunch and see how the dam looks over there. I know it's rebuilt. I know it is rebuilt. Y'all remember when we tore it out? The last time we tore it out, it was super windy, a tornado watch. Today is super windy. Matter of fact, it's windier today than it is, or it was when we tore it out. Oh yeah. Man, I tell you. Oh boy, you guys, the beavers are something else. I think the next time we come over here, I'm gonna start over there. I'm gonna tear out over there while the water's high, and it'll help us out. I mean, you guys, what in the world, man? I know the water helps them float things down here, but how do they get something that big? It's rotten, I know, but man, wow. These beavers, man, these beavers. But yeah, we're gonna open it up over there, and with the help of the water, it'll be a lot easier. But anyway, so this is what it looks like here at the new culvert, beaver dam at the new culvert. And I mean, that water, look, that water is getting so high, it's about to be at the top of the culvert, man. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Okay, I'm actually hungry today, so I'm ready to eat. I'll check back in later. All right, you guys, Danny just dropped me off back here at the tractor because hopefully I should be able to finish this field and then move on to the next farm. So I was able to get it all done. We're heading on to the next farm, you guys. We coming up on the guy running the giraffe neck again, you guys. He's got long reach. And we have arrived to one of the many fields on this farm. I'm going to get to work. All right, you guys, I'm doing the ends on this field. I'm sort of pushing it though. It's been raining pretty good and it's starting to get wet, and you don't want to disc when it's wet because when it dries, that dirt will be hard as a brick. So when I get done with these ends, you guys, I'm going to be done for the day. Wow, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna have to stop on this end. I can't even make my last pass because I'm starting to spin. So that's definitely too wet if I'm spinning and the dirt is sticking to the disc. So I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna cut across here and head to the truck. And guess what? Beaver Dam Creek is right through the woods, you guys. Yep, this is one of the fields I used to ride around when I had the four-wheeler. But Father Beaver Dam is not too far from here. But I'm not going to check on it in the rain. You can believe that. I guess I'm gonna wrap it up for this day, you guys. Yeah, there most definitely won't be any discing tomorrow, you guys. So you guys, I'm getting ready to leave work. Look at all of the water in the field there, man. Wow, it poured down, you guys. This is the ditch right here that I cleared a year ago when all of the grass from the ditch got hung up in the culvert. We just got so much rain right after I dissed. I guess it's full. I don't think it's stopped up, but wow. Yeah, it seems to be flowing, I believe. It's just too much water. At once. Oh, wow. My. Yeah, you guys saw the rain we got, so it's wet. But anyway, we got the two belts changed on this side as well, and now we're gonna put some new rim and tires on because some of these rims are cracked and leaking. So just gonna change out the whole package deal there. All right, you guys, got a new one there. There and there. All right, you guys, so we're done with the mower now. I'm gonna pull the truck up here. Y'all remember the clutch cable broke? We're gonna see if we can get the clutch cable put back in that white Chevrolet truck over there. Gotta drive it with no clutch, you guys. Oh no, oh no. So here's the new cable, you guys. I'm definitely gonna try and get some grease or at least some kind of liquid lube down in the casing of the cable to make sure it's nice and lubed before we get it installed. Got the cable pulled through the floorboard, you guys, and connected up there to the top of the clutch pedal. But man, this clip right here, trying to get it back on, is kicking our behinds, you guys. Wow, it's just such an awkward place trying to get positioned in this truck to reach up there. Oh man, we're gonna keep trying it though. Well, you know the saying well, if first you don't succeed, try again. I finally got it, you guys, man. And so I have this in now, and we got to continue to get it mounted there where the old one was. Well, you guys, there's the old cable. Now we got to try and get the clutch pedal adjusted, so I'm gonna have to take it for a spin and see how it feels. I'm gonna let Rudy take it for a test run. All right, you guys, so Rudy said it drives good, so I'm gonna put this clip back on there and some tie wraps on the cable, and we're gonna be done with this truck. So that clip goes right there. I might can push it on with my hand. Maybe not. And we got her on. All right, you guys, all I got left to do is put the tie wraps on this cable to keep it from flopping under there, but I gotta let the mufflers cool off underneath the truck before I do that. But anyway, I guess it's lunchtime, you guys. All right, you guys, we got the cables tie strapped down, and it's shifting like butter. Shipping like butter, you guys. Oh yeah, get the twin turbos on the road. But anyway, I'm going to get the truck staged and go get another truck, and we're gonna call it a day, you guys. So we've had a successful day of getting things ready. Hopefully we'll be able to get back in the field soon. It's too windy to do any spraying today. There's downstream at the culvert, that water's starting to look a little bit high there, man. Oh boy. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video on up, you guys. We coming up on a field that I dissed. There to the left and to the right. It's looking good out there after the rain. But anyway, like I said, hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for us. Throw a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's on your mind. Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.